Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by today to look at our used vac we have for sale in Memphis. Today we've got a 2023 LP573 SGT vac. This machine has the 38 horse Kohler gas engine. It also has the 1050 CFM blower. This machine is a trade-in. It's been through our shop, it's been serviced, repaired, and it's ready to go to work. I'm going to crank it up and show you all the functions work. As you can see, all the functions worked on it like they're supposed to. I'm going to show you the vac gauge on the blower. VERMEER. As you can see, the functions on it work like it's supposed to. It has been through the shop. It's been serviced. Got all new filters on it, including a bag house filter. It's ready to go to work. Give us a call.